Open it up.
I'm going to out here. There's papers. Real silver in here.
Let's see.
Or something different too.
Where at?
Look.
Oh, silverware. So you can tell. Behind the in there, maybe something special, or maybe not. Just trash like this whole house.
These John's replacement teeth.
No, those are Clay's replacement teeth.
Ah.
Yeah.
Except they're way too big. They're big as his arm.
Hey, look at this.
Hello, gorgeous.
Made me feel better when I read it.
Is that house gorgeous?
Oh, well, hey, I got a sign for that. No, somebody threw it away.
Or it's
What?
underneath?
Bless this mess.
No, I didn't throw it away.
It said, God bless this mess. I thought it was appropriate. You need to bless the mess. I'm gonna keep this